'cause you're so creative, you're so in touch with life.
This is a baby lock Molly BL38, and I'm going to show you how to wind the bobbin, thread it, a few things on it. We've got this machine running on a trade-in sale right now. You come on down, bring your old machine, you get a $200 trade-in special. But now this is the way you wind the bobbin. Just push that over, very easy to wind. You put as much on as you want, or you can fill it up. But see, I just went around the tension on winding the bobbin up here. Put it back in gear. You just press that on threading it. It's very easy to thread. All you do is just follow the numbers, and you've got a thread guide right above the needle. It's got an automatic needle threader. Just bring that needle threader down. I'm sort of doing this slow. Bring your thread under the, just right in front of the needle. That pulls that thread just right through the needle. Easy to use. Just drop your bobbin in. So this is your tension slot right there. Just pull it in. That sets it in the tension. Then just turn your hand wheel. That'll go down, pick up your bobbin thread, and you're ready to sew. We're going to put just a bobbin cover, slide your bobbin cover on in. This is a really great running machine. I can sew anything that you want to sew. Heavy fabrics, sheer fabrics. A lot of machines, see how easy that comes up over that thick blue jean seam? I mean, just as easy as it can be. And then I can turn around and go right into something just real sheer. It's not going to pucker the fabric. Just throw it under there. It sews it with no problem whatsoever. But this machine has got quite a few decorative stitches, overlock stitches, hemming stitches, one-step buttonholes, all that. If you'll come on in, we've got a trade-in sale running now that would give you $200 trade-in allowance on toward the purchase of this machine. So come on down to Memphis Sewing Machine. We'll teach you how to use it, how to operate it. Anything you get here, we're going to help you, teach you, and show you. No excuses not to learn how to use it. But we'll teach you anything you need to know. So come on in. We'd be pleased to have you.
Sewing machine since 1971.
With a sewing machine, 'cause you're so creative.